Let's take a look at how easy it is to lay out objects and to place objects very accurately on a wall in auto cabinets. So we've already got a wall 156 drawn. We'll go to the library. We'll go to our favorites library, and this is just a collection of my favorite cabinets and objects. I like to use this window a lot, so I have it in the favorites. I'm just going to say quick insert here. I'm just going to tell it to center it on the wall. So if I just click where I want the window to be centered, it'll center it between my two snap marks. So we have a 42-inch window here. We'll go back to my library. We're still open into favorites. So this time, let's take a sink base, and I'm going to go insert here because the sink base is 36 inches, which is my standard sink base. But here I want to make it 42 inches, and I just want it to be centered on that window. So I'm just going to go insert. And then if I select the two sides of the window, first side, roll back out, scroll out, select the other side. Now our sink base is centered on that window. So we have a window and a sink base. Let's go back to the library. Let's take a dishwasher. And here I'm just going to go quick insert. And I can choose left, right, or center here. Here I just want it to stick to the left side of my mouse. So when I go quick insert here, I can just come in and place this dishwasher to the right side of the sink base. So we have our sink base, window, and dishwasher. Let's go in and take a library again, and let's say that I want to put a drawer bank in this drawing. So let's say I'll put the drawer bank to the right side of the dishwasher. So I'm just going to say insert here. I want it to be I want to hold back off this wall, say 4 inches or just a couple inches. Let's just hold off into that wall a couple inches. So I'm going to go to the right 2 inches. I want to select distance on screen and insert. So I'm just going to click here to there, and there's my drawer bank. If I want to fill up this side of the room now, I'm going to go back to the library. We'll take the standard base. I'm going to go insert here. Here I want 2 cabinets, and again I want to be this time from the left 2 inches, and I want to select distance on screen and go insert here to there. So there's our 2 standard base cabinets. We have our base cabinets. We can take a little peep here. We have our plan view. Here's our wall elevation view. Come back to our plan view. Let's put some upper cabinets in. I'll go back to the library. We'll take a standard upper, go insert. This time I want to hold back for my crown mold, so I want to hold back here and here. So I'm going to tell I want it to be 4 inches on the left, 4 inches on the right. I want to select distance on screen, and I want 2 of those cabinets in there. I'm going to go insert. I'm going to click the end of the wall to the window and move those cabinets in and center them between that space. It gave me 2 24.5-inch cabinets. So I'm going to go back to my library, take the same upper, go insert. Same thing, I want 4 inches on the left and 4 inches on the right, and I want the program to figure out the length of the cabinets for me. So I'm saying select distance on screen, and I want a quantity of 2 of those. I'm going to insert. I'm going to select the edge of the window to the end of the wall, and there's my 2 24.5-inch cabinets. I'd copy these over, I guess, but anyway, more than one way to do it. So here's your cabinets and your layout. And if I wanted to put crown mold on this, I can come in and put the molding. We'll just take this and we'll raise that to 96 inches on the molding. I'm going to tell it to draw. Tell it to draw here. Select where I want to start, end. And we'll tell it to draw again. There's our molding. Now, if I wanted to put the countertop on this, we have tools available for that too, but I'm going to go View and Hide Selection. I want to hide this crown mold just for a second. And I want to come in and put my countertop on here, the top, and I want 1 inch overhang left and right. And draw. Let me move this out of the way so you can see. I'm just going to click the end of the cabinets here, the end of the cabinets there, and tell it OK. And there's our countertop right there, and we can also put the splash on it. Just go ahead and tell it to draw the splash. So the splash is obviously totally independent from the countertop, so if you're using tile splashes or they're being provided elsewhere, no problem with that. And well, I've got the molding turned off. Let's go ahead and put in the sink. I'll go back to my library. We'll just take a Kohler sink, and I'm just going to tell it quick insert here. And I'm just going to center it on that window. I've got my sink. I'm just going to select here and there. And there's our sink centered in the room. Let's turn back on our moldings, unhide all. And look at our elevation view. And there's a quick, easy way to accurately place a number of objects, cabinets, windows, sinks, dishwashers in AutoCabinets. Thank you very much for your time.